Debt overhang describes a situation where an entity has so much existing debt that it struggles to take on new, profitable projects. Think of it as a heavy weight that discourages growth, because any new profit is effectively claimed by past creditors. When debt levels reach a critical threshold, lenders become hesitant to provide more capital, and owners become reluctant to invest their own. It occurs when businesses or countries borrow heavily during good times, only to find that future earnings are consumed by interest payments alone. While debt offers tax advantages, it creates a rigid obligation that equity lacks, leading to the overhang trap if earnings drop. Studies often show that companies with significant debt overhang see much lower investment rates, as they lack the spare capital to innovate. Remember that debt is just a tool. When the balance tips too far, the tool stops building and starts hindering progress. Thanks for watching. Understanding debt cycles is key to long-term financial health. Please consult a professional before making major investment decisions.